Very good.
Sir,
What else?
Opposite sides are
All
parallel.
angles are right angles.
Opposite
Sir,
sides are
opposite
parallel.
angle of a rectangle is also equal, sir. Opposite angles of a rectangle.
Why not all angles?
So all angles are right angles.
Yeah, all angles are equal. All angles are 90. What else?
The diagonals bisect each other.
Yes, diagonals are going to bisect each other, but not at 90, but they do bisect each other, right? So diagonals bisect each other. And one more point. What will be the length of the diagonals? Are they equal or unequal?
Sir, they are equal.
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 So just like a square, the diagonals of a rectangle are also equal. So you note down properties of a square and properties of a rectangle. Then we go to the next two. So I'll give you a minute to copy down. Once you have copied down, you can let me know. Then I can rub out the first part and draw the third figure. But these properties are important. Some of you may be knowing, but it's better that you copy down so that when we do the exercise, yeah. All have written?
No, sir. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I rub out the first part?
Yes, sir. First part you can rub out.
Okay, I'm rubbing out the first part. Hope you have all done the square. Now we are going to do the third part, that is a parallelogram or a rhombus, we can say. Okay, parallelogram and rhombus we'll do next. So A, B, C, D. This is a parallelogram.
Sir, opposite sides
Now,
are equal.
let's take out. Yeah, opposite sides are equal, correct?
The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other.
Sir,
Correct.
opposite sides are parallel.
Sir, opposite angles are equal.
Opposite sides are parallel. Diagonals bisect each other. Correct.
Sir, the opposite angles of parallelogram measure the same.
Correct. Opposite angles are equal. A equal to C and angle B is equal to D. Diagonals are going to bisect each other. So opposite angles are equal. One more point I want. What will be the length of the diagonals? Will they be equal or unequal?
Sir, equal.
Sir, they will be equal.
Sir, they will
Equal.
be equal.
Equal.
Length of diagonals are equal or unequal?
Sir, equal.
Equal.
No, they will not be equal. See here, if
Sir,
I look at
unequal.
this parallelogram, the length, this length will be more as compared to this. This length, this will be more. If you measure the length of the diagonal, one diagonal will be bigger than this. You look at the diagram, AC and DB.
Sir, that's because the tilt, it is a bit tilt, sir. That's why.
Yes. The length of the diagonals are not equal. Only for square and rectangle it was equal. So length of diagonals are unequal. Okay, don't write equal. Only for square and rectangle it was. Next one we come to a rhombus. Now rhombus appears like a square, okay, but it is not. Let me draw it properly with another color. This color is not visible.
Sir, can we make it upside down, sir? Because still it will be a rhombus only.
Yes, you can draw it like this or any way that you want, but make sure that this angle is not 90, because the moment it is 90 degrees, that becomes a square. So this is tilted slightly like a parallelogram. But what is the difference in a parallelogram and a rhombus is that in a parallelogram, only opposite sides are equal, but in a rhombus, what happens?
All sides are equal.
All sides are equal. Just like a square, all sides are equal. But here, all angles are
Sir,
not
they are
90.
90.
Which angles are
Sir,
equal
but
here?
they are equal. All angles are equal.
No, not all angles, only opposite angles.
So the diagonals are equal.
Sir,
No.
diagonals.
Diagonals are not equal here. Diagonals again, AC is bigger than DB. Look at the diagram carefully. You draw a rhombus,
Sir,
AC will be bigger. Yeah, diagonals are not equal.
The diagonals are perpendicular to each other.
Yes, diagonals will be
Sir, they
perpendicular to
bisect
each other and they will also bisect each other. So please remember, all angles are not equal, only the opposite angles. A will be equal to C, B will be equal to D.
Sir, 8 adjacent angles are supplementary.
Yeah, that is true for all parallelograms. So opposite sides are parallel. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. And the length of the diagonals, please remember, are not equal. Diagonals are unequal. So these are 4 properties of a rhombus. So we have done square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus. Finished?
Sir, I have written.
Okay.
Sir, written.
Yes, sir.
After that, we have 2 figures. That is rhombus and kite. Rhombus, we have done, sorry, kite and trapezium. A kite is a figure like this. Okay. Now, what is important about a kite is that the adjacent sides are equal. If you look at this figure, AB and BC are equal, and AD and CD are equal. And also, if you see the diagonals bisect at 90, only one diagonal, AO is equal to OC, but OB is so small, OD is so big. So both diagonals are not bisected, only one diagonal is bisected. And
Sir,
opposite
perpendicular
angles,
diagonals.
diagonals intersect at 90, yes. And the diagonals, are they equal or unequal?
Unequal.
Unequal.
Huh?
Sir, they are unequal, sir, because BO is not equal to OD.
Yeah, BO is not equal to OD, but I am saying, is the length of the diagonals equal?
No, sir.
No.
sir.
AC is so small, BD is larger. So length of the diagonals will not be equal. Length of diagonals, please remember, will only be equal in square and rectangle. So here, the first point, 2 adjacent sides, 2 pairs. 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal.
The diagonals do not bisect.
One diagonal is only bisected. Okay, so let me rewrite this. The first point, 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal. 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal means AB equal to BC and AD is equal to CD. Okay, two pairs of adjacent sides are equal.
Sir, opposite sides are parallel.
No, kite is not a parallelogram. Kite is not a parallelogram. Only square, rectangle, and rhombus are parallelograms. Kite, this side and this side are not parallel. Okay, so only two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Then second point, you can say diagonals intersect at 90. Don't write bisect. They intersect at 90. That means this is 90. Then diagonals are unequal. Very clear from the diagram that both the diagonals are unequal. Fourth point, one pair of opposite angles equal. One pair of opposite, both angles are not equal. Okay, only one pair of opposite angles are equal. So which pair is equal? Angle A and C are equal. If you look at B and D, they are not equal. B is larger angle, D is a small angle. But if you look at A and C, they are equal. And last point, one more point. What is that? One pair of opposite angles are equal and one diagonal is bisected. Okay, both diagonals are not bisected like parallelogram. Only one diagonal is bisected. Which diagonal is bisected? AC is bisected
Sir, AC is bisected into AO and
into
OC.
two equal parts. Yes, OA and OC. So kindly note down these properties of kite.
Sir, written.
Sir, done.
Okay. And last
Done.
we come to the last one, trapezium. We'll complete this also. A trapezium is only one characteristic it has. Can you tell me how to determine whether a figure is a trapezium? What is the most
Sir,
important
if
property?
its two opposite sides are parallel to each other.
Sir,
Yeah.
opposite sides are parallel to each other.
No, not
Sir,
opposite
only
sides,
one pair
one
of.
pair. One pair of opposite sides. If both are parallel, then it becomes a parallelogram. So one pair, this is important. The most important statement is this: one pair of opposite sides are parallel. If one pair is parallel, that becomes a trapezium. Only one condition is important here. Rest conditions are immaterial because the moment one side is parallel to the other side is not seen. If both sides are parallel, it becomes parallelogram. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel, it becomes a trapezium. So here AB and CD are your parallel lines. So this figure becomes a trapezium.
Sir, because from the figure we can see that AD and BC will meet at a point somewhere. Sir, but AB and DC won't.
Yeah, if parallel lines will never intersect. If they are not parallel, obviously when I extend this, it's going to meet at some particular point.